not recording anymore. Yes, it is. Alright, that one, wait, it's on the ground, it's close, so be careful.
Yeah, these conditions suck. You can see that already down trees. It was somewhere around here.
Yes, it was in this section, might be right ahead, about right there. Whoa, 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 whoa!
What? You scared me.
Look up ahead, this is bad.
Alright, just hold your horses. Don't freaking make me have a wreck, all that startling me.
Well, you're in two lanes right now.
You're freaking... What's that over there to the left?
That might be. I think that was a small one.
I think you're right.
I don't think I got it though. There was another bigger one. It's right near here.
I hate these freaking conditions. You don't know what's going to turn a corner and what's going to be going on.
I know.
And it's late in the afternoon. It's starting to get dark. Worst case possible scenario. You can't see a damn thing at night time.
Yeah, and I have no idea how much further we have to go. We're at least another 100 miles.
What's that? Straight ahead? Look, there's one there.
Oh my God!
And how much better can you get that one? Look, it's two.
I see one. I don't see the other one.
Look, it's
yes,
two.
I see it. I see it. All right, don't go. Don't
Wait,
go.
I'm gonna try to turn you sideways. We can get it good. With no window in the way.
All right, get out of the middle of the road. I got it. That's 3 now, I think. 4. Just pull over. Don't go any further. That's 4. Just let them pass. Staying on the ground. You might hit that antenna.
Shit, get reared in.
Well, blow your horn so they notice something up ahead.
What is all? Is that another? Is that one this big one?
Another one's coming from the left. It's crossing it. Oh my God, those people are going into it.
Oh,
that one's big. Oh God, please let those people be all right. Now I'm scared.
Oh shit.
Oh my God. If you see anybody else come, blow your horn at them. Wave them down, wave them down. Another one. Oh my God. I don't know if he sees them. That can't be all tornadoes one right after the other now, can't it? My battery's about to die. What is that? Those first 2 were tornadoes.
Look, they're stopping.
No, they're not. Those people just drove through it, so apparently it's not on the road. All right. Safely. Slowly. That's another big one. Look. I wonder if they're just not on the ground. Look, those other 2 are still down. That is a tornado right there. that one right there. Might not be all the way to the ground.